A fact build has been created that will extract data for all of Europe. All of the data will be delivered to fact tables. The developer wants to direct United Kingdom-specific data into its own fact table. What must be created on the fact delivery? Option A. Level filter. Option B. Data source filter. Option C. Data stream filter. Option D. Output filter. The correct answer is option D. A developer has created a fact build to process the incoming data shown in the table image. The build has been set to merge records with duplicate keys. Both the customer and date columns represent dimension elements. If the merge behavior for the amount column is set to sum, what will be the value of amount for the first row delivered for customer? Option A. 1,200. Option B. 200. Option C. 500. Option D. 700. The correct answer is option C. When this job stream is executed, what is the maximum number of nodes that will run in parallel at any one time? Option A. 3. Option B. 4. Option C. 7. Option D. 8. The correct answer is option B. In this job stream, the action on failure setting for the site dim node has been set to terminate. Image. What will happen if this node fails while the job stream is executing? Option A. Data Manager will immediately stop processing the remaining dimension build nodes, and process the fact build node instead. Option B. Data Manager will stop processing the site dim node, but will continue to process the remaining dimension build nodes. Option C. Data Manager will stop all processing of all nodes in the job stream, even if they are currently running. Option D. Data Manager will remove the site dim node from the job stream and restart the execution process. The correct answer is option B.